Hi, I'm Jack from MegaMaxx, and this is our premium angle grinder holder. It's ideally suited to welders, fabricators, because you two holes there, you can screw it onto a wall or a desk, but you could always put it there and weld it on. That's exactly what we've done here, and that's why we have this as a product. We felt that we needed a nice, easy place to reach and grab our angle grinders. We have 3 because we have a certain disc on each one, and these brackets allow us to do that. It comes in a premium black textured powder coat. You can see here, these are our bare steel ones that we made for ourselves and developed the product. Well, we found that we set it to a particular angle, but this can be bent, so you can change the angle to suit your workbench and grinder. It's a great addition to any metalworking work cell.